Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought Oral-B Professional 5000X electric toothbrush. I got this from Costco. The original price was $160, but they had $40 off. So I just picked it up. I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing. Let's do it. They included 3 brush heads, 2 in white and 1 black. This is a traveling case. Charger. Brush handle. Now they have the second set. It's good that they have in 2 different colors so 2 people can use it without get mixed up. That's all in the box. Quickly, let's assemble everything and see how it works. In my opinion, this is a very solid product, high quality. When I look at the case, I can see the quality of it. It's really smooth and solid. Really like this quality. This brush handle is made in Germany. When I hold this handle on my hand, I can feel the high quality. It's really built with high quality materials. The handle is made in Hungary. This is also very high quality. I feel the difference. When I touch it, I can see the quality of it. It's very solid. I'm very happy about this purchase and looking really excited to use it. If you're traveling, it's very easy to take it off and put it in the box, and it looks nice and neat, so you can easily carry with you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing so I can put more videos like this.